We're going to call this Saturday Savings because all of these are $14.99 today. They're beautiful too. This is a viscose. I love this. This is like a green-black gradiated. You know, it's great. It's graded throughout the whole gradation, I think it's called. But anyway, it's graded throughout the whole entire fabric. It's just beautiful. And the drape on this, because it's a viscose, the drape is so, the weave is so tight and the drape is beautiful. It's beautiful. A pair of slacks, just so many things would be beautiful on this. And because it's black, I paired with it a stretch, this is a stretch linen. Again, a beautiful piece of fabric, stretch in one direction on this. It's a stretch woven, 100% linen, just beautifully done. This again goes with the black. Love this little leopard tiger, gorgeous. It's just very pretty. Again, great drape, 100% viscose, beautiful drape, $14.99. These are giveaway prices. This is a beautiful wine. This wine is so popular right now. And this actually looks and feels like 100% cotton. It does have a little bit of poly in it. It's a cotton poly, but it's a beautiful texture. That little new jacket out of that, a crop jacket would be just incredible. 100% viscose. This is a charcoal gray, lightweight viscose, year-round, but charcoal in color, so it really works so many times of the year. It's got stretch in. It's really it's a knit. It's actually a one-way knit. It's not a woven, but it's got a slight texture to it. I'm going to hold that still just a little bit so you can see it. Very beautiful, and again at $14.99, just a steal. I put these two colors with it because they both blend beautifully with it. This is a navy, not a black. It's a navy, and it's got a lurex thread all through it. This is a cotton poly. It is a woven. There's no stretch to this, and again, a great little jean jacket, crop jacket of any kind. It'd just be great. All right, so there's your Saturday Savings. Great fabrics, $14.99. My goodness gracious. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.